Hello friends, now we are going to solve numerical number 1 based on per unit method. Here's the given question. Draw per unit diagram selecting 25 kV 200 MVA base values at generator 1. We have been given the new base values and we have to find out the per unit impedance diagram. So first step is to find out the new base value. New base value at generator 1 has been given as 25 kV. So I am writing here kVB new is equal to 25 kV and MVAB new is how much? MVAB new is 200 MVA at generator 1. So MVAB new is equal to 200 MVA and that will be same for the entire circuit. Now what will change? The base voltage value will change according to the transformation ratio. So first, if the base value at generator 1 is 25 kV, so at this generator it will be same. It will change when we will go other side of the transformer. So other side of the transformer means for the transmission line, it will be according to the transformation ratio. So 25 into 220 upon 25. 25 cancel out and it will be 220 kV. So for the transmission line, the base voltage is 220 kV, and for the second transformer, it will be same 220 kV because we didn't go other side of the transformer, and for the generator, it will be 25 kV. It will be changed 220 into 25 upon 220 and that will be equal to 25 kV. So these are the new base voltages and new base MVAs. Whatever the 20% has been given is here for the first generator. That means on base of 25 kV 100 MVA base power, the per unit value is 20%. Same if we are approaching for the LV side, then on the base of 25 kV and 90 MVA base value, it was 12%. And we have to calculate the per unit value for this transmission line and for this transformer as well as for this generator. So we will take all the information and solve this question. So first, for the generator number 1, so I am writing here for generator number 1. So ZPU new will be equal to how much? First I'm writing the formula first. ZPU new is equal to ZPU old into MVAB new upon MVAB old into KVB old square upon KVB new square. So putting all these values, so ZPU old value has been given as 20%, means 0.2 into MVAB new, we are going to take 200. See here, so MVAB new is 200 and MVAB old was 100 MVA, so 100 into KVB old is 25 kV and KVB new is 25, so 25 upon 25 square, and that is coming out to be 0.4 per unit. So this is for the generator number 1. For transformer number 1, ZPU new will be equal to ZPU old means 12%. So 0.12 into MVAB new. MVAB new is 200. We all know 200 upon old is 90 into KVB. KVB old means this value because on 25 kV 90 MVA it was 12%. Now we have to calculate on 25 kV base voltage and 200 base MVA. So it will be changed and here it will be ZPU new will be equal to 25 old value and 25 new value. So this will be equal to 0.2667 per unit. So this is for transformer number 1. And coming to the transmission line, for transmission line, We will not use the old new formula, we will use the actual one. So the ZPU is equal to how much? Z actual into MVAB upon KVB square. So putting all the value, Z actual is been given as 150 into MVAB, new is 200 upon KVB. Here it will be confusion, you will take 200 kV or 220 kV. So we are dealing with the per unit value, and the base value will be same, which will be applicable for the entire circuit, and for the entire circuit 220 kV we will take, and this will be the correct. So 220 square, this is coming out to be 0.6198 per unit. So we calculated for transformer number 1 and for the transmission line. Now I'm going to calculate the transformer number 2 and this generator number 2. For transformer number 2, the ZPU will be equal to, ZPU new will be equal to, old value has been given as 12%. So 0.12 into MVAB new means 200 upon MVAB old. MVAB old you can see 90 into KVB old. So KVB old is what? 220 and KVB new is 220. So 220 upon 220 square, and it is coming out to be 0.2667 per unit. So this is for the transformer number 2, and for generator number 2 I can write from here Z per unit new will be equal to, ZPU old is 20%, so 0.2 into MVAB new is 200 and MVAB old is 100 into KVB old is 25, KVB new is 25, so 25 upon 25 square, and that is coming out to be 0.4 per unit. So we have calculated all the per unit values. Now I am going to draw the per unit impedance diagram. First generator have the per unit reactance is equal to J 0.4 per unit, and its operating voltage is 25 kV, and the new base voltage was 25. So 25 upon 25, this will become 1 pu voltage. And for the transformer, either we can represent by LV side or we can represent by HV side, it will be the same. So it will be how much we have calculated, J 0.2667 per unit. Then for transmission line we calculated J 0.614 per unit here per unit, and for the second transformer same J 0.2667 per unit, and same for the generator number 2, that is J 0.4, and here it is a voltage of 1 pu, 25 upon 25. So this is the per unit reactance diagram for this single line diagram. And one most important point is, you have to look both the transformer, it has the same transformation ratio, same power rating, same per unit impedance. The only thing it is changing, it is applied in step up direction, and it has been applied in the single line diagram in step down configuration. So per unit value will be same if their transformation ratio, their rating and old per unit value will be same. So here we got 0.2667 pu, 0.2667 pu. So here it is all about this numerical. Thank you.